Okay guys, so on this next quick video, I want to show you where you can get your billing or change your billing card for those who are using Google Ads, with running YouTube ads or Google Ads. It has changed. Previously, it used to be under tools, but now it has changed. So previously, if you look here, it used to be under this button called tools. You could come here and you could get billing settings here. But right now it has changed. If you go to tools, you won't find a place where you can change your credit card information or your billing information. So now you just go to the next button here, which is called settings and billing. Okay, so this is where now it is right now. This is where you find your new billing settings for those who are using Google Ads. You just click on set billings there, and then come down to settings there, and voila, it will bring you to where now you can change your billing information. Okay, so once again, it's no longer on tools, it's under settings and billing. A quick video to help you for those who may be looking for where they can change their billing or do their settings for billing. Very simple. Just go to settings and billing here and you have it. Thank you for watching this, and I hope it helps. Please comment below for anything that I've left